So we'll take you through a progression of exercise called bird dogs. We'll first start on hands and knees. Your hands should be right underneath your shoulders and your knees separated hip distance apart. The first variation is just going to be of the arms, alternating, lifting up overhead and down and switching arms. Make sure to keep a nice neutral spine as you do this. Variation 2, we're going to go down to the legs and slide our feet onto the floor as we extend the leg back. Third variation is going to be lifting that leg off the floor. And the fourth variation is the full exercise, the bird dog, alternating arm and leg, opposite arm and leg moving at the same time. Keep a nice neutral pelvis as you do that. Activate those deep core muscles.